And here we go with another tutorial inside the Halftone Pro panel. This time, we're going to talk about the manual section here in Halftone for white fabric. Again, there's no need to do any manual configuration here in Photoshop. Just select the manual section here in the Halftone Pro panel. It will open the script prompt. Select the frequency in LPI, and I'm going to set it to 30 LPI. I select the shape of my halftone. I'm going to leave it as the default round shape. I click OK. Here, we have a really interesting point compared to other halftones. This tolerance, unlike the black one, won't select the color to be removed. This tolerance will determine how much the halftone is applied over the design, the intensity with which the halftone is applied to the design. So if I set less tolerance here, for example 5, it will preserve more details of the solid design and apply the halftone more softly. If I set it to 90, it will apply the halftone to more areas and tones of the design. I'm going to do both applications so you can see and understand in practice how this works. I'll set the tolerance here to 1, the minimum tolerance. I click OK. Automatically, it'll already run the script inside Photoshop. Let's just wait for it to finish. All done, the halftone's applied. Look, once again, a perfect halftone. I'm going to select the original design here again. I clicked on manual. Set it to 30 LPI again. Round shape. Here in tolerance, I'm going to set it to 100. I click OK. Script sent to Photoshop. Finishing the halftone. All done, look. Right away, you can already notice this huge difference when it comes to tolerance. Lower tolerance preserves more details of the design and applies a softer halftone. Higher tolerance makes the halftone more pronounced on the design, applying a greater amount of halftone over the tones of the design. Here, the design will look more dotted, and here the details, the colors, and the solid elements are more preserved. This really depends on your taste and also on the type of design you want to put on the t-shirt. Since this design has a lot of shadow tones and dark shades, there isn't a huge visually striking difference here when you apply it. It really comes down to your preference. If you want a lighter print with more halftone applied, you set a higher tolerance. If you want to preserve more details in the design, you set a lower tolerance. Again, this doesn't change the technical details of the design. Look, here the halftone still keeps all the technical LPI characteristics as well. It only changes the tolerance level at which the halftone is applied over the design's tones. Right? And again, if you have any questions about manually applying the white fabric, just get in touch with our support team. It'll be a pleasure to help you out.